Hello, greetings from Booneri TV. Beginning today, we will keep you posted with news alerts of any incident that you need to be aware of so that you can remain vigilant and safe. Today's news alert is of a Bengaluru teacher who was duped of her money. She lost 1 lakh rupees. Here's what happened. A woman named Shanta J. This happened on June 19. She worked as a private school teacher from Kaikondrahalli of Sarjapur Main Road. She filed a complaint of cheating and cybercrime with the police as she was duped of a lot of money. How did this happen? Shanta is a single parent. She lived with her minor daughter. Her daughter had read a news report on the web wherein it was mentioned that anyone who had old currency coins could sell it online and could possibly earn lakhs of rupees by doing so. Any old coins of denominations 1, 5 would do. You sell them and get money in return. The girl knew that her mother had a coin from 1947. It was a 1 rupee coin. She told her mother about the idea to sell the coin that she possessed so that she could in turn get around 10 lakhs. Shanta thought about it and believed the idea. They agreed to sell the coin. So, they uploaded an advertisement on an online marketing platform offering to sell the old coin that she had. After which, she received a call from an unknown person who expressed interest in purchasing that coin for 1 crore in exchange. He collected her ID proof and bank details, saying he could transfer the money only if she gave him the details. To convince Shanta, the man even sent a screenshot showing he was ready to transfer the money to her bank account. She believed he was genuine and agreed to sell the coin. When Shanta agreed to sell the coin in exchange for the money, later the man started asking her to pay money in the name of RBI charge or income tax and processing fee, among others, to complete the deal. He lured her and tried to convince her to make the payment until she was satisfied. Then, 2 more fraudsters who were involved in the theft called Shanta, talking to her in good English and win her confidence by posing as bank employees. They told her that they were aware of the transaction she was about to do with them. Hence, Shanta was convinced and agreed to transfer the amount as she thought they were genuine employees of the bank, speaking good English, and she believed them, but they weren't the real employees. They fooled her. They all belonged to the same team of fraudsters. Shanta had agreed to pay, but she didn't know the procedure or steps to transfer the money online. So, she took help from her neighbor who agreed to guide her in making the online payment. She then transferred the amount through multiple transactions via net banking. After the transactions were made, Shanta waited for the money to be deposited into her account, but there was no transaction. She got worried and tried calling on the number repeatedly, but to no avail. She tried connecting to them, but nothing worked. they duped her of her money. In all, she lost 1 lakh rupees via multiple bank transactions. Everything was lost. She freaked out and hence she lodged a complaint at the police station of the theft of 1 lakh which the fraudsters duped her of. Hence, we all should be careful in this regard.